Imagine this. You bring home an adorable cat, excited to welcome your new furry friend. But instead of cuddles, you get a terrified little creature hiding in the corner with eyes wide open in fear. The moment you try to pick it up, it squirms and claws its way out of your hands like you're some kind of villain. Betrayal. Well, guess what? This reaction is completely normal. Cats are super sensitive to new environments and need time to feel safe. But don't worry. In this video, I'll teach you how to gain a cat's trust and turn a scaredy cat into a loving companion. Hey cat lovers! Welcome to this video where we're diving into the secrets of bonding with a new cat and helping them overcome fear and anxiety. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing key tips that every cat owner needs to know. And hey, if you love cats as much as I do, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. What do you think is the number one thing that helps a new cat trust you? A calm environment? Petting? Or maybe some delicious treats? Stay with me until the end to find out the answer. Alright, let's get straight into it. How do you help a scared cat feel comfortable and start bonding with you? A safe space is the first step to trust. Cats are naturally cautious creatures, and when they enter a new home, their first instinct is to find a safe spot. So, set up a small, quiet room with food, water, a comfy bed, and a litter box. The smaller the space, the safer they feel. Think of it like a luxury studio apartment, minus the rent. Avoid loud noises. During the first few days, try to keep things as quiet as possible. No vacuuming, loud alarms, or sudden loud voices, especially no screaming kids. If your cat wanted that level of chaos, it would have moved into a daycare. Be patient and give them time. Cats love to be in control of their own decisions. Don't rush them. Avoid direct eye contact, because, in cat language, staring fashtek a challenge. Instead, slowly blink at them like you're giving a friendly wink. Basically, flirt with your cat, but in a non-weird way. Don't force petting. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to pet a scared cat right away. Imagine a total stranger suddenly hugging you. Awkward, right? Let them come to you first, and when they do, start with gentle strokes under the chin or behind the ears. Bonus tip, if they start purring, congratulations! You've been accepted into their elite club. Treats. Instant friendship. Want a shortcut to a cat's heart? Food. Hold out some wet food or a tasty treat and let them sniff it out. If they're too scared to eat from your hand, just leave it nearby. Over time, they'll start associating you with good things, like a human vending machine that never runs out of snacks. Playtime builds bonds. Once your cat is comfortable, try playing with them. Toys like feather wands or moving objects are great for building trust. This helps them relax and see you as a fun companion, not a scary stranger. Think of it as breaking the ice at a party, except instead of small talk, you're waving around a toy mouse. Let them explore on their own. Once your cat is ready, open the door and let them explore the rest of the house at their own pace. No forcing. If you have other pets, introduce them slowly. Never push them together too soon. Nothing says bad first impression like an unexpected nose-to-nose encounter. So, back to our question. What's the most important thing to help a new cat trust you? Respecting their space and creating a safe, stress-free environment. If you give them time and let them decide when to interact, they'll feel comfortable enough to bond with you. Do you have experience with a shy or anxious cat? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to hear how you helped them adjust. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more cat tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.